need bushings that go right here. And I'm gonna see if I can use those ones over there off the old beam. Let's give it a shot. All right. First thing we're gonna wanna do is clean off some of this crud so we can see what we're working with here. Ah, looks like we've got some bushings here. Oh, there we go. Seals, that's what we need. That's pretty much it. Needles in there, needle bearings are in there. We're not gonna reuse those. We might need these cups though for the seals. Hey, there we go. Haha. Let's finish cleaning this off and I'll dip it in the good old Purple Power bucket. Get all that grease off. And let's do the rest. Alright, what is up, YouTubers? We're out here and today's Sunday. I have to go back to work tomorrow. My vacation is over. So I kind of need to figure out this situation here before tomorrow, because I gotta get this done. Who knows if I'll have any free time left to work on this stuff. So let me show you what I got in the mail today. Oh, here's my old drill bit that I ruined. I had the drill setting too high. I had it on the highest one, which looks like a little drill bit. And then I had this to 2. So I'll leave it at 1, turn this down about halfway, and then drill slowly so the bit doesn't heat up and get softened. So I was only able to cut one little dimple in my torsion bars. I already cut off the piece that I needed to cut off, so I gotta do this 3 more times. I already got my jig set up over here. As you can see, there I started to cut and it just wasn't doing anything, so had to order this a few days ago. Finally got here yesterday, and I was too busy yesterday, so today's gotta be it, man. Let's see if we can do it. Let's give it a go. All right, well, this drill bit isn't working either. That was a waste of 20 bucks. Been out here for like 15 minutes and that's as far as I've gotten. So I still need to do 2 more. I'm just gonna go buy a Dremel. Well, Harbor Freight to the rescue. The drill bit didn't work. It's not cutting. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with this carbide tip. I bought this too. This is a safety guard for my angle grinder, so I can use a cutoff wheel. Most people, you'll see, they don't use these. They just use the one that comes with the angle grinder, which doesn't fully cover the blade, just in case this thing breaks. So let's give this a shot and wish me luck. So I'm going with this carbide bit, but I don't have a high-speed rotary tool because the rotary tool I bought from Harbor Freight does not fit this size. So I'll probably have to take it back and get an air one. It has a higher chuck in it. But let's see what happens with this. That'll do the trick. It took me like 5 minutes. All right, well, when you have the right tool, it makes the job that much easier. All right, 2 down. I just gotta cut it. Now what I did the first time is I used a grinding wheel to cut off the extra length on the torsion bar. Here's my grinder. You can see it doesn't have a shield on this side. So let's take this shield off. All right, here we go. We'll try this again. So the way we're gonna do this is I'm gonna put this on there just like you're supposed to. Gotta line this thing up. That's the tricky part. Okay, get it lined up. Now this is a jig that's gonna be used to know where to tap your you're going to use this to know to line up your this is going to act as a guide and a lock to keep your torsion bars in place. And we're narrowing it 2 inches, so we're going to use this hole right here. This is for 5 inches, so 2 inches. Now I don't have the fancy drill bit, and the ones that I have don't work. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna figure out a workaround. So here's my workaround. Carbide deburr. All right, I'm just gonna use that to make a mark. Now you're gonna leave this on here to keep the leaf springs in place. All right, let's compare it to the original one. Boom. Just as good. There we go. It's going to do the job. That's what we need. Do the job. Perfect. Let's go on to the other side. Okay, let's put these torsion bars in there. You can see down inside, there's a little groove. And actually the set screw's in there already, so I gotta back that out and slide these in and make sure they line up with the notches that are inside there, that pattern. All right, so we're backing this up. We're gonna try something different here. Take these 2 out. Just try to get the center 2 in there. Take these out. There's 1, I think. Oh, okay. I got 2 in there. I got the 3 middle ones. Let's get the 2 outside ones in. There we go. Well, how many is that? 4. Let's get this. Let's try the side. Okay, that one went in easy. These last 2 gonna be a little bit tricky. All right, so we got one on, 3 to go. Got the top one on. This was a little tricky here, getting the torsion bars in and lined up with the center adjustment. Once I got it in there, I was able to push this on. So now we're gonna try to get the other side on. All right, I'm a big dummy. I got the 2 top ones on, and I was about to do the bottom ones, and I had to stop working because it got dark. And I realized I forgot to put these on. Damn it. So I gotta take this one off, the other side off, and these little gaskets go right in here in that gap right there. So this is gonna have to come off. But I did accomplish cutting the torsion bars and getting them lined up in the middle. Now it's just a matter of lining them up with the 2 trailing arms here. So I'm gonna have to go back and take these off and reinstall the top ones and then do these bottom ones. Got the 2 grommets back on, gaskets, whatever you want to call them. Got the lock nuts on, tightened down, locked down, both sides. I think what's going to be next is putting these on. And then we're going to get close to finishing this up. Once I get these on, I can put the tie rods on, connect those down there to the steering. So the trick is going to figure out how to get these lifted up in order to fit on here. So wish me luck.